Penny. Who's this?
Oh, Ingrid, I want to introduce you to a new friend of mine. He's a fellow entrepreneur. This is Gator. Everyone calls him Procrastinator Gator.
Very nice to meet you, Gator.
Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, Miss Ingrid.
So Penny says you're an entrepreneur. What kind of business do you have?
Oh, I run Gator's Bayou Tours. Folk love coming out on my boats to visit my family in the swamp. It's a hoot and a half.
Isn't that dangerous?
No, ma'am. Give any gator a marshmallow and he's sweet as milk for long enough to let you pass. This is the least of my secrets.
Very cool, Gator. We love tour companies here at Polymath. So why does everyone call you Procrastinator, Gator?
Oh, you know, Mama always said I have a bit of a tendency to put things off, especially in my business. I really love being out on the water. Sometimes I let some of the business things slide, like emails or payroll.
Wow, Gator, I didn't realize it was that bad. Payroll isn't something you can just put off. Your employees are depending on you, and there are laws around running your payroll on a pretty tight schedule. That could get you into trouble.
I know. It's just so hard for me. Collecting all the timesheets, entering the numbers, then I never know if I did it right. I'm as lost as last year's Easter egg.
Well, Procrastinator Gator, maybe you don't have to do all of that yourself. You could use a great app like T-Sheets for your time tracking and maybe even delegate the payroll processing so that somebody else is doing that while you're out on the water.
Delegate? Delegate!
Wow, Gator, what happened?
I think I found my superpower solution. I don't have to be the procrastinator Gator. I can be the delegator.
The delegator? Wow, Gator, that is a fantastic realization. You know, when you delegate the things in your business that you don't enjoy, you get to spend more time doing the things that you really love. And really, you'd be making more money out on the water with your customers than you would spend on somebody doing your payroll for you.
That's right. I'm going to get help with my payroll, and I bet that we can think of some other things to get help with too.
Like your bookkeeping? Maybe Ingrid and Vanessa at Polymath can help you automate some of your workflows. They specialize in tours and activities companies like yours.
Oh, thanks, Penny. Gator, we would love to help you with your bookkeeping. Maybe we can start by finding you a good booking or reservation application that can help you to streamline your reservations for your customers.
Yeah, that would be great. Can you find me one that will talk to my QuickBooks?
We sure can.
And for the rest of you business owners out there, ask yourselves, what have you been avoiding that you can maybe get help with? Let's all become delegators.
And you can find some more great educational videos on askabookkeeper.com and polymath.com. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks, bye!
Never mind the ones who tell you you're too big.